Maybe it's because I'm a Londoner, but I love London so.
Ken Livingstone is right for London because Ken Livingstone wants to cut down the fares 5% and cut down the overcrowding in the tubes, and he doesn't want to cut down the Metropolitan Police.
Ken is right for London because he is committed to ensuring that everyone has somewhere that they can afford to live.
I think London should vote for Ken Livingstone because he'll ensure that opportunities for new housing work for all Londoners, not just for large property developers.
Ken cares about London, as he always has. He's got a proven track record. Under Boris Johnson, the amount of people earning six-figure salaries has doubled at City Hall. We need someone who can actually stand up for everyone in London.
Well, he's made a fantastic pledge to put down the disgraceful fare increase that Boris has been talking about, and I think that's going to be really worthwhile for lots of Londoners.
Well, I think there's many arguments in favour of Ken, but it's also important to compare him with the incumbent. Ken's from London, Boris Johnson isn't. Boris has put up bus fares by 56% in the last couple of years. Ken's going to cut them by 5%. He's paying attention to the things that really matter to people in London.
Oh, it's a no-brainer. He knows the city like no one else, and he has a view about the future like no one else.
And I think he is just generally a much more family-friendly Mayor of London, family-friendly in the sense of looking after the needs of ordinary families. You know, we won't have to pay through the nose for our fares, and we won't have to pay for our children to play in playgrounds, and that's why I'm supporting Ken.